Hey up there viewers, Rob here, my new mills and my waterfall. Mess low? What low? Yeah, we're down here at the tours in New Mills. Let's mooch it on. Bit quieter now here on Riverbed. Down here at Torr's Mill. There's some Victorian building. Ooh. Hound. Hound in Latty. The wet hound. Just look at the Victorian architecture there on them. Look at that. Proper building that. Hey. And there that be some crap. But back here away from canal. And we'll get there. I'll see thee on to the side. But first, just look at this building. Let's try and zoom in. How does it say it? There's a brick. 1888. That was built and it's been stood in. It's 2024. Look at that. The old mill, what's this? The old mill lead. So don't forget. King size OCB. So yeah, give a like and subscribe. Thumb up. We've got some folk down here. We are in New Mills in the High Peak. Which for some in this current climate and how it is, it's so busy. Here we are, the Millward Memorial Bridge. 1984 this was built. It says so over there. Just show you I'm not Billy Buntering. There we go. Seen better days. 1984 to 2020 to 40 years old. Feels solid enough. And now we look over there, some people on the bridge. Just look. Proper industrial architecture at its best. The rock. It's a cliff. Houses up top, you've got road on top. On the other side of there, you know what's there. Or if you don't, you're soon going to. It is the Torr's Hydro. That create their own electricity, not running today. Morning. Some hikers out and about. There's some ruins. So this has all been busy mill industry, whatever they were doing. Torr's Vale, there's one that goes further down. Which if you check out my channel, I was there the other week on the Millennium Walkway. And to be honest, I thought it was New Mills Youth Festival. More hikers there. Nice day for a hike. Probably been on the... they've come from Millennium Walkway from the Set Valley Trail. Which it all links up. Yeah, again, I thought it was something else. The Youth Festival. You know, we have some rock climbing over here. But there isn't any rock climbers. So no, just to prove the Millennium Walkway is that. I'm not going to show you today or walk it, you can see it, check it out on my channel. I'm just going to go out here, ramble with Rob. Don't be square, I'll see you there. which way they're going to be going. They'll be going down that way and into the Goit Valley, I'd have thought. Well, they are in the Goit Valley, so but further on down. So from High Peak Hillbilly down here in the tours, I've had to get it in right at the end. Stay safe, take care, till next time, adios.